Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Adil Admani from 3K3 and my topic is baseband transmission. Introduction to baseband transmission. Baseband transmission is a communication technique used to send digital data in its original form. In this method, the entire bandwidth of the communication channel is used to transmit data. The data is sent as a voltage level which represent binary values, that is ones and zeros. Baseband transmission is simple, efficient and cost effective as for short distance communication. It is commonly used in local area networks such as Ethernet because it does not require modulating, making the system easy to design. Next, what is the baseband transmission? In baseband transmission, only one digital signal is transmitted at a time using the full channel bandwidth. The frequency spectrum of the signal starts from zero frequency and goes up to a maximum frequency. Digital data is represented using different voltage level on the transmission medium. Unlike other techniques, baseband transmission does not use any carrier wave. Because of this, signal is transmitted directly, which reduces system complexity. This technique is minimal used in wired network like Ethernet. Next, need for bandwidth transmission. Computer generate data in digital form, but physical media like copper cable and optical fiber require signal for transmission. Baseband transmission provides a direct way to convert digital data into digital signal. It supports high data rate and it's suitable for low cost communication system. It's offer reliable communication over short distance, which make it ideal for LAN environment. Baseband transmission work best where only one signal is transmitted at a time. Baseband versus broadband transmission. In baseband transmission, the entire bandwidth is used to transmit only one signal. Broadband transmission divides the bandwidth into multiple frequency band. Baseband transmission is simple and cheaper to implement because it does not need modulation and demodulation. Broadband transmission is more complex and minimal used for long distance communication. Broadband systems support multiple signal and multimedia service, while baseband is best for short range digital communication. Line coding in baseband transmission. Line coding is a technique used to convert digital data into digital signal. It's defined how binary bits, that is zeros and ones, are represented using voltage level. Line coding is very important in baseband transmission because it helps in maintaining synchronization between the sender and receiver. Good line coding reduces signal distortion, improve error detection and ensure reliability data transmission. Therefore, line coding is a crucial part of baseband transmission system. This is the example of the line coding baseband transmission. Types of line coding. Unipolar coding use one voltage level, simple but inefficient. Polar coding use both positive and negative voltage for better performance. Bipolar coding use 3 voltage level and reduce DC component. Manchester coding combines clock and data, improving synchronization. Differential Manchester coding use transmission to represent data change. Each technique has its own advantages and limitations. Problem in baseband transmission. Baseband transmission faces several challenges. One major problem is the pressure of DC component in the signal. Baseline can occur due to long sequence of similar bits. There can also synchronize issue between sender and receiver. Noise interface may the signal and cause data error. To reduce the problem, advanced line coding and scrambling technique are used. Next is bandwidth requirement. Bandwidth requirement for baseband transmission depends on data rate and line coding sense. Higher data rate require large bandwidth. Efficient line coding help to reduce bandwidth using while maintaining good signal quality. According to Nate's theorem, there is maximum data rate that can be transmitted over a given bandwidth in a noiseless channel. This concept helped to design efficient baseband system. Thank you.